Hi sisters!
You should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna run, there's nothing to help.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited because here with me, I have the James Charles Artistry Palette, and I'm so excited, I'm so happy I got my hands on this palette. I'm going to be attempting to do a makeup look for you guys with this palette, but I am not a beauty guru by any means, so you might end up just watching me make a fool of myself. But anyways, a couple weeks ago, I went Black Friday shopping, and I really wanted to get this palette, but it was sold out just like I figured it would be. And then a couple days ago I went back to my Ulta to get some Kylie lipsticks, and I looked and they had 2 of these palettes left. I am so happy that there was 2 left. My friend got one and I got one, and I'm so excited because I've wanted the palette ever since it came out and ever since James announced that he was making one, and I'm just so happy, and it's so good, so fresh, so fun, and I'm just really excited to be testing it out today and seeing how the eyeshadows work. I'm not going to swatch the palette for you guys just because if you're watching this video, you've probably watched other videos about the palette where someone has swatched it, and so I just don't feel like it's necessary to swatch it. Okay, so now I'm just going to open the palette, show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Oh, I'm so excited. Da-dun, 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 da-dun. Okay, ready? Oh, if I can open it, that'd be nice. Oh my gosh! Oh, the paper fell. That's okay. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. This piece of plastic that fell off has the name of every single shade in the palette on top of it, which is really cool. Love that. We love it on top of things, sister. I'm so happy I got it when I did because after his restock last week, it sold out again. I just can't stop staring at it. It's just so mesmerizing. James did a good job. So good, so fun, so fresh. Wow, there's so many pretty colors in here that I've never even used on my eyes before. I'm not very experimental when it comes to makeup just because I usually don't have a lot of time to experiment with makeup except today, which is why I'm doing this video. And so I've just never really done anything crazy or super creative. But I'm super excited to try out this palette and see what kind of crazy makeup looks I can do. Today I'm probably just going to do a more simple makeup look just because that's what I know how to do and I don't want to make a fool of myself on the internet. Okay, so I'm going to try to do a makeup look for you guys today. I have no idea what colors I'm going to use yet. There's so many colors to choose from. I've never had a palette like this that has had so many colors. I really like these green shades. I'm wearing green, so I'm thinking I might try to do something with the green, but like I said, working with colors is something new for me and I really don't want to mess up. The colors that I usually work with are like these reds and golds. I just like sparkly colors that are lighter, not super colorful, but I don't know, we'll see. I don't have anything in mind, which is probably not how these videos usually go, but it's okay. I guess we will just play it by ear, kind of. Okay, so my glasses are off. My camera is zoomed in and I think I am ready to go and try to do my makeup for the day with the Artistry Palette. I'm super excited. Like I said earlier, I don't like doing my face makeup. It's because I have very sensitive skin. As you can tell, I have new zits in every video and new red spots, so that's not a surprise to you guys probably. There is very rare times where my face has not broken out. For that reason, I choose not to do face makeup most of the time. So the first thing I always do when I'm doing eyeshadow is I take this Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics, and I always put this in the corner of my eyes and under my eyes. A little of this stuff goes a long way. So yeah, I always just put this right here and like a dot right there on both eyes. And my brushes are not professional as well. They were $10 on Amazon, so don't make fun of me. Alright, so I always take the biggest of my fluffy round brushes from my $10 Amazon set and blend this out on my eyes. Beautiful. Both of my eyes are blended out now. So after I am done putting the Bye Bye Under Eye under my eyes and make all of my tiredness go away, I take this luxury baking powder that's not really that luxury because I got it in like the cheap section of Ulta, the drugstore section. This is the lightest shade they had. I'm very pasty and pale, so it's hard for me to find super light powders that I can put under my eye, but this works fine. I don't like spending a lot of money on expensive makeup, except the James Charles palette. I will always spend money for him. I just take this and I don't even like bake it like it's called baking powder, but if I do that then it turns orange, so I don't do that. So basically this is like not even a makeup tutorial at all because none of you would probably do any of this stuff I'm doing. But I just take that and I put it all over my eye right on top of the Bye Bye Under Eye, like where I put it, and it just makes it not sticky. The Bye Bye Under Eye is like super sticky. I really don't know why I do half of this stuff. This is just my makeup routine, I guess. Alrighty, so now I'm going to dig into the palette, not literally because I would never hurt my James Charles palette. So rude. And I'm going to decide what colors I want to use today. I should probably get my plastic sheet so that I can let you guys know what colors I'm using. So I think I'm just going to go in, actually, I think I'm going to do like reds because I really like reds and like pretty colors like that. So I think I'm just going to go in with the shade Mary and put that all over my lid. Okay, so this is my favorite brush. It's a Luxie 249 brush. I don't know if that's like an expensive brand or not, but it came in my Ipsy bag and I love it and I use it for all my eyeshadows, so that's what I'm going to use. So I'm taking Mary and just applying it all over my lid. I know like a lot of people will do one eye at a time when they're doing makeup videos. James does that most of the time in his videos, but I personally like to do each step on each eye just because that's easier for me. Wow, I'm already doing so bad. It's okay, whatever. Okay, so I applied the shade Mary to both eyes. So I'm thinking that maybe I'll use the shade Pinkity Drinkity and put it in like the corner of my eyes. So I'm using the same brush because it's the only brush I really know how to use. Oh yes girl, that goes on so good. Love that. Pretty. It's like barely noticeable, but I feel like I just combined very and barely together, but I meant barely. It's barely noticeable, but it does just enough and it looks so pretty. Okay, so now I went in with Pinkity Drinkity and did that both on like the corners of my eyes. So I'm trying to think, there's a couple sparkly ones that are super pretty. So I think I'm actually going to go in with this color literally right there. And to do that kind of like in the middle. It's funny because whenever I'm like reading these colors, I'm totally reading them in James's voice. Like, you're kidding. So I'm just putting literally like in the middle of Pinkity Drinkity and Mary. And once I do that on both eyes, I think I'm going to go in with the darker sparkle and do it on the outside. Now I think I am going to go in with Shook and do that on the edge just because it's like a darker color and I like to do darker on the outside, lighter on the inside and blend it out. Maybe that's a smoky eye, maybe it's not, I have no idea. Now I'm going in with Shook, which is the burgundy sparkly color, and I'm just going to put that on the outside of my eye. Pretty! Now I'm going to do that to the other eye. Okay, so I went in with Shook. I did that kind of like on the outer edges of my eye, and then I went back in with Pinkity Drinkity and just blended it out a little bit. And now I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I definitely know my look's not finished because it kind of looks crazy. I think I'll take the shade Benny, which is a super dark brown, almost black, and do that in the same spot, just like not blended in as much. No, that's not blending. Why? Okay, so we finally got Benny blended out on this eye how I wanted it to be, kind of, a little bit. Now we're going to try on the other eye. Okay, now for a little extra pizzazz, I'm going to go in with the color, what is that called? So Good. And it's like a super sparkly gold. Oh, or Wig. That's so pretty too. I'm going to go in with one of those. I'll decide in a second. Okay, so one of these golds looks like it's turning out way more vibrant than the other. I can't tell if it's because of my lighting or because this eye was watering and like the gold got stuck to my tears, like I don't really know what, but I think it's just the lighting, because when I turn my head like this it looks just as sparkly, but I really love that sparkly gold. So now I think I'm going to take Mary again, and I think I'm going to put Mary underneath my eye, or maybe I'll do Boutique, because that kind of looks like Mary but a little darker. I think I'm actually going to go in with Boutique again. So I'm going to go in with Boutique and try to just do it on like the pointy end of my makeup brush. And this is a different brush now. This is from my Naked palette. And I'm just going to try to blend those two. Okay, so I just went in with Boutique and I did that under my eye and tried to blend it out with the outer corners of my eye. And now I think I'm going to go in with Pinkity Drinkity and try to do like the middle and the outer edge of my eye. Perfect! Okay, I think that I am done with the eyeshadow. So this is the eyeliner I use. I love it. It's drugstore eyeliner. It's Maybelline. It's just black and it's a pot eyeliner, so you just dip the brush in and then put it on your eyes. I feel like it's much easier to use than like liquid eyeliner or not liquid eyeliner. I hate dry eyeliner. I don't even know what you call that, to be honest. So this kind of reminds me of like the dip brow stuff but in eyeliner form. And wow, that was a struggle. I love it. I just love this stuff. Okay, so I've come to the conclusion that this eye is definitely super wet. My eyeliner's not staying on because of it being so wet. I went in with my Better Than Sex mascara and just did mascara on this eye. As you can tell, I'm not a real beauty guru because I am not using false eyelashes. And now I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup off camera and then I will show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so here is my finished makeup look using the Artistry Palette. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I really had fun filming this. Even though I'm not a beauty guru, I still had a blast. And if you guys for some reason want to see me do more makeup videos in the future, comment down below, leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't. My channel has been growing very slowly, but I think that we'll get there one day if I just keep up with the videos, but I need some ideas, so comment some ideas below. Thank you guys for watching again, and I love you all. Goodbye!